Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today I'm here with a delightful feast, Ambur Chicken Biryani. This is a one-pot biryani recipe. Let's get started. Into a pan add some oil, also some ghee, that is clarified butter. Now into this add in the whole spices like cinnamon, mace, cloves and some cardamom. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Then add in one sliced onion. Add in some salt. Saute it till it gets translucent. Now into the onion add in some ginger and garlic paste. Saute it till the raw smell goes. Now add 3 large tomatoes sliced. Saute it for some time. Then cover the pan and cook the tomatoes. Now the tomatoes have nicely cooked. Now add in some chopped coriander leaves and some mint leaves. Mix it really well. Now the main ingredient, that is some red chili paste. For this I have soaked some red chilies in some water and make it into a paste by adding very little water into it. Now into this mixture add in the chicken. Mix it nicely with the masalas. Now add in some yogurt with half lemon juice and mix it well. Add enough salt for the chicken and around 1 cup of water. Mix it nicely, cover the lid and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add some turmeric powder into it. And again 3 cups of water to cook the rice. Mix it nicely and allow it to come to a good boil. Then add in washed and soaked rice. Here I've used Jeera Samba Rice, which is normally used to make the Ambur Chicken Biryani, but if it is not available in your place, you can use basmati rice as well. Add enough salt to cook the rice. Once it comes to a nice boil, cover the pan and cook it for around 20 minutes till the rice has cooked perfectly. Normally when we hear the term biryani, there is lot of hard works. Like first we have to cook the rice, then the chicken, then layer it and then lot of dirty dishes. But this one, no stress at all. Put all the flavors, chicken, rice, everything in one pot, cover it and the delicious Ambur Biryani is ready. So definitely try it out and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.